today's budget deliberation of the House Committee on Appropriations on the 2024 proposed budget of the Department of Labor and Employment or DOLE, Gabriela Party List Representative Arlene Brosas pointed out that it is the department's duty to ensure that Filipinos receive a living wage in their jobs. The lawmaker cited the suggestion of the Ibon Foundation that a living wage or compensation sufficient to sustain a family's livelihood should be 1,200 pesos a day. The DOLE recognizes that the current minimum wage of 610 pesos in the National Capital Region is insufficient.
Alam po namin hindi nakasasapat, no? At yan naman po ay siguro hindi naman natin dapat na ipagkaila. Kaya nga po tuloy-tuloy yung mga interventions na ginagawa.
Labor Secretary Bienvenido Laguesma assured that they are implementing interventions to achieve a living wage for Filipino workers.
Hindi po namin nakakalimutan yung direksyon na dapat po dumating ang pagkakataon at panahon na yung pong ating pangarap ng living wage para po sa ating mga mamamayan ay magkaroon po ng katuparan. Meron po kaming sinusundan na roadmap din patungo diyan.
Representative Brosas also called the department's attention to expedite the pending wage hike petitions across different regions in the country, given the increasing prices of basic commodities.
20 pesos ang hinihiling natin, pero 20 pesos na cup ng rice ang meron tayo ngayon. Matindi yung presyo ng langis, nagpapatuloy ang food crisis, pero wala pa ring malinaw na posisyon kaugnay sa dagdag na sahod.
However, the department stated that the approval of the wage hikes will still be under deliberation and hearings on the petitions are scheduled.
Bigyan lang niyo po kami ng konting panahon kasi hindi naman po batay po sa proseso ng Department of Labor and Employment na kung saan kinikilala ang tripartism, dapat po namin pakinggan ang mga manggagawa, ang kinatawan ng manggagawa at saka namumuhunan.
Whether the decision of the board is to issue wage order this month or not, it's really up to the board. What we can do is really to provide technical assistance to them.
DOLE's proposed budget for 2024 has been cut by 7 billion pesos, a 14% decrease from the approved 47 billion pesos for fiscal year 2023 in the General Appropriations Act. JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve glory to God.